Welcome to today's online English class. Uh, can you see a picture in the very first page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And can you
Tri
guess? Can you guess anything what we are going to read today?
tribal people about the ethnic people
Yes.
of
This is the
Bangladesh.
technique to
Ethnic
give
people.
the first picture. First impression is the best impression. The very first pic is giving you the hint that what you are going to read today. In the first English first paper class, we have read about what? Can you remember? Nokshikatha.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Today we'll read another important lesson, that is the ethnic people of Bangladesh. That means the picture is telling us that we are going to read about that. Okay, class will be taken by me, of course. And English for
Sir.
today. Let's see some more pictures. Where do you live in Bangladesh? In this picture,
Yeah.
or this picture, or this picture?
The first picture.
Urban, rural, or hilly area? Okay, who live in the hilly area? Who live in the hilly area?
The ethnic people of Bangladesh.
Yeah, tribal people of Bangladesh. Very nice contrasting pictures. Who live in these areas?
The tribal people.
Have you visited ever any hilly place? I have visited myself. I have seen their house in Chattogram. After my SSC is over, I went to a picnic excursion from my school, and I have seen them. Actually, on the top of the peak of the mount hill, they make very small houses and live over there, living living in the lap of nature. Living in the lap of nature. Would you like to visit a hilly place? If you have an opportunity to do so, I think everybody will grasp this chance. If anybody of you, if you get a chance to visit a hilly place, I think everybody will grab this chance, isn't it? It's actually visiting the hilly places in Bangladesh is actually very much romantic, thrilling, and nature, actually nature here quite different from the urban areas, from the from the mainstream where we are living. Okay, last person here. Do you know any people who live in a hilly place in Bangladesh? Do anybody of you have any friend, any ethnic friend?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
But in our school, BF, so far I know, there are some students who are from that area, who are ethnic people.
Yes, sir.
Some students who are Buddha, by religion they are Buddha.
Yes, sir.
They are from the hilly place, hilly, that means Chattogram, hilly areas. Okay, if he, yes, tell something briefly about him or her, them. Can you guess? Okay, can you guess our today's topic? Of course, you have understood. Today's topic, our ethnic friends. Unit 1, together I will teach you 3 and 4. 2 lessons I'll try my best to complete today in the same class. Learning outcome. What we are going to read today: read and understand text, describe the picture, know about ethnic peoples, culture, marketplace, etc. Ask and answer questions. Okay, do you know where they live? Majority live in
Bangladesh.
Chattogram hill tracks. Majority live where?
Chattogram.
Chittagong hill tracks. Hill tracks. Bandarban. Look at the
Sir,
map.
what's the meaning of hill tracks?
Hill tracks. Parbatto alaka. Pahari area.
Okay.
The region that belongs to a hilly area in the world. Okay. Then Rangamati. Look at the map. Sorry. They live in these 3 places. Madarbon. Then Rangamati. Yeah. And then Khagrachari.
Khagrachari.
Yeah. The map is telling us that. Okay, now you will have to write down some word meanings. Ethnic people. What does the word ethnic mean? It's meaning that some subgroup or exotic exile. And it's Bengali meaning Nitatik Jonagon. Please write down the word meanings. Open UCW copy. Open UCW copy. Ethnic. Everybody, please don't turn your video off, please. If you keep your video off, you will miss the class. I hope you will enjoy the class by keeping your video on. And maximum video on, but in the second page, still some students have kept their video off. Do I need to tell their name who have kept their video off? Please keep your video on. Shad, Saurabh, Shanto, and many more. Keep the video on. Keep the video on. Otherwise, you will be removed. Today, I'll remove you. I'll check again. Then if I find you off, then I'll remove you. Okay, are you done with meaning?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to the next word. Here some images are given with the meanings to make the meaning clear. No need to write down the example. Example is just for your understanding. Next word. Zoom cultivation. No need to write down this. Just I am telling. What is zoom cultivation? We'll read it inside the text. Zoom cultivation is practice on sloughy hills, outside reserved forest. No need. Most tribal people are well acquainted with this type of farming. No need to write down. There is a video. I am sharing the computer sound, then you can hear. Or is a share sound? Okay. Now
ধোঁয়া আর তাপ ছড়িয়ে আগ্রাসী আগুন পুড়িয়ে ছাই করে পাহাড় ঢালের গুল্মলতা আর গাছগাছালি। আগুনে সর্বস্ব হারিয়ে এভাবে জুম চাষের উপযোগী হয়ে ওঠে ন্যাড়া পাহাড়ের গা।
This is called zoom cultivation. Would you like to watch again?
Sir, it is harmful for our nature.
ধোঁয়া আর তাপ ছড়িয়ে আগ্রাসী আগুন পুড়িয়ে ছাই করে পাহাড় ঢালের গুল্মলতা আর গাছগাছালি। আগুনে সর্বস্ব হারিয়ে এভাবে জুম চাষের উপযোগী হয়ে ওঠে ন্যাড়া পাহাড়ের গা।
Okay.
এটা কি আমাদের জন্য harmful?
Of course.
Sir, what is called Nera Pahar?
That means without anything. Nera, matha nera karo na.
Yes, sir.
When there is nothing left.
Taklu.
Yeah. Takku.
Taklu Pahar.
Takku Pahad. Okay, write down majority. The greater number or the number larger than half of the total. Half the total. Okay, write down this meaning. Majority. Just write down the meaning. This is which one is majority? This one is majority. And majority people say yes. Only no one. Minority one, yeah, no, and majority yes. But that region, Shubro, that region is very big, so that kind of fire does not affect that environment of that area. It's so long, and they don't do that frequently. It rarely, yearly 1 or 2 times or 3 times they do this, so it does not affect the environment of that area. If it did so, then government must take action against them. But government is not taking any any action against them. Okay, if you are done, you have to be hurried because you have to read the text. And also,
Yes, sir.
You are done. I am going to live in, reside or stay. It's verb. Just write down the meaning in English, nothing else. Okay, done. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And shifting.
Yes, sir.
Move or cause to move from one place to another, especially over a small distance. In Bangla, if you say sthantor. Look at the toys. Robot, they are shifting something. What is inside this? A doll, some books, calendar.
So those are in a TV box.
Yeah. Try to speak English in English first paper class especially. Try to express yourself. This will encourage you to be practical.
Sir, also two doll carry this.
Yeah. Carrying dolls are carrying dolls.
Dolls.
Actually, they are not dolls. They're called robots. Actually, this kind of ad are seen when Indian cricket.
Yes, sir. Airtel SIM.
Yeah, Airtel. Yeah. They have many ads like this. Very nice and very philosophic. Those advertisements are. Okay, I'm going to
This
next
is
word.
our future plan.
Region. No need to write down this meaning. Just understand. An area, especially a part of a country or the world, having this definable characteristics, but not always fixed boundaries. Then there are some words together. Many words together. I will like to tell you to take a screenshot. Write them at home. Take a screenshot. Then we'll read the text. Everybody take a screenshot. And someone can take and give in the group. Nadimul, have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it will take time, but we have to read the text. Okay, now we're reading the text. Read the text carefully and identify true or false. There are some questions that I will do that later. Before that, we'll read the text. The ethnic people in Bangladesh. Oh, surely.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read them. It's very important. While doing solving MCQ, they will help you tremendously. I want to check back those who have kept their video off. Turn the video on, please. Keep the video on. Subro.
Yes, sir.
Can you do one thing? While writing the roll numbers, please try to give a tick mark whose videos are off.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the ethnic people in Bangladesh hold a very important place in the culture of the country. The ethnic people, you have already understood what does the word ethnic mean. That is the minor group, tribal group of our people. In Bangla, what you say, Khudro Jati Gusti, Khudro Ni Gusti, isn't it? Khudro Ni Gusti, ba যাদেরকে আমরা চাকমা, গারো, that we'll read later.
Marma.
Jati Gusti, Marma, yeah, Khudro Ni Gusti. Okay, those people hold a very important place. Hold means occupy, hold means possess, hold means capture. That means they have a very important place in the culture of our country. That means they are related with our culture. They are not different from our culture. They are related. They are a part of our culture. They are a part of our culture, and they are possessing. They have captured an important place in the culture of our country. Okay, the majority of these people, that means most of the people, we have seen the meaning of majority. That means most of the people live, they reside, they stay, their dwelling place in the Chittagong hill tracts. Maximum of them live in the Chittagong areas. Where? In Chittagong, in the hilly areas. They actually don't live in the plain land where we are living. We live in the plain land. We live in the plain land, but they don't live in the plain land. They mainly live in the hilly areas. That means the upper portions here, hilly areas. That means uchu elaka, hillocks. The others live in other regions, but not only they live in this place, they also live in other places of Bangladesh as well. The others live in the regions of Mymensingh, Rajshahi, and Sylhet. Look at the text. Maximum of them, majority of them live, that means 95% of them live in the Chittagong hill tracts. But some of them, the rest of them live in Mymensingh, Rajshahi, and Sylhet. They live in the forest areas. They don't live in the area where we live. Their dwelling place actually quite different from us. They live in the forest areas where full of trees, which is full of trees and stream. In the hills and in the rural areas. Where they live? In the forest, in the hill, and in the rural areas. They don't live in the city like us. They do jhum cultivation. What is jhum cultivation? We have already seen that in a video. That means that how they do
Yes,
this.
sir.
This is also described here. How they do jhum cultivation. For this work, they clear a piece of land. How do they clear a piece of land? By burning. We have
By
seen that in
burning
the
them.
video. Yes. For zoom cultivation, they clear a piece of land in the forest, prepare it, and then they get it prepared and sow seeds in it. That means bij bopon kara. So means bopon kara, seeds, bij. They sow seeds in it. You can write down the in Bengali meaning if you need. Sow, sown. That means bij bopon kara. They are mostly farmers by profession. They are maximum of them are farmers, tillers. Farmers. If you want to write down the synonym of farmers, means tillers. Tillers. Tillers or cultivators. Farmers. They are not. The maximum of them are farmers. They cultivate on the land. By religion, they are Hindus, Christians, and Buddhists, but no Muslim are found among them. They either Hindus by religion or Christian or Buddhist by religion, but maximum of them by Buddhist. They speak their own mother tongues. They have their own mother tongue, though they can speak Bangla as well. If you talk to a Chakma, they can speak. If they talk to us, they speak our mother tongue. But if they talk to their genre, to their group of people, then they speak their own mother tongue. That we can't understand. I have seen some people like this that with whom I am acquainted. And when they speak with us, they can speak Bangla very well. They can speak us very well. But when they talk to themselves, then they use a different language that is quite different, even difficult, more difficult than English. That I have guessed. It's not possible to understand. Even more difficult than English, their language. But it is their culture, it is their language. They love their language a lot. You can't ignore that. By religion, they are Hindus, Christians, Buddhists. They speak their own mother tongues. Here, own is adjective, and it is called emphasizing adjective. Some of them are Chakmas, the Marmas, the Tripuras, the Murangs. It is the name of their groups. They have also they are different. They have different names. Some of them called Chakma. Chakma are most. Then some of them are Marma. Then they are called Tripura. Then they are called Murangs, and who live in the hill tracts. And these kind of people live in the hill tracts. The Shantals. Shantals means Shautal. That in Bangla we say Shautal. In English it is called Shantal. Shautal live in Rajshahi. They live in Rajshahi. Khasiyas and Manipuris live in Sylhet. Khasiyas and Manipuris live in where?
Sylhet.
In Sylhet. And the Garos in Mymensingh. Garos in Mymensingh. The Garos live in Mymensingh. Manipuris, live in Sylhet. Manipuris, the Khasiyas and Manipuris live in Sylhet. Shautals, Rajshahi, Chakma, Marma, Tripura, Murangs, they live in hill tracts. That means Chattogram. Okay, next part, lesson part 2 now. Lesson 4, our ethnic friends too. I have given you the meaning, just I am reading the text. Most of these ethnic people living in Bangladesh have some common characteristics. They have their own lifestyles. Most of these ethnic people living in Bangladesh, living in Bangladesh means who live in Bangladesh. Living here is participle, not gerund. There are two kinds of verb, finite and non-finite verb. And non-finite verb also has 3 classes, gerund, participle, and infinitive. Living is here, non-finite verb, participle. Most of these ethnic people living in Bangladesh, that means who live in Bangladesh, they have some common characteristics, some common, that means that are commonly found. It is their, common means here it is their own characteristics that differ them from us. They have their own lifestyles, their lifestyle, their way of life, their language, everything, their festivals, how they cultivate. That is also different from us. We don't do zoom cultivation. So they have their own lifestyles that is quite different from us. Why they live? They build their houses on bamboo or wooden platforms called machang. Have you heard the word machang?
Yes, sir.
I will show you some pictures. I'll show you if time is left. I will show you some pictures. I have another slide over this topic. Machang, that means upper than a bit upper from the lowland, from the land. That means they remains a whole, and they make it especially by bamboo. And over the platform or machang, they make their house. Why do they do this? Can you tell anybody? Can anybody tell this?
Sir, because the poison snakes or insects may bite them. So
as they live in the hilly areas, so they can't make house on the plain land. They make a machang by bamboo or that means wood, and over the machang they make their house to save themselves from wild animals.
Yes, sir.
Rice is their staple food. What does the word staple mean?
Main food.
Main food. That means like us. It is matching with us. Rice is their main food. That means that they are so mache bhate Bengali, like mache bhate Bengali. They eat vegetables. What they eat? Like us. They eat vegetables, maize, bhutta, and fish, mach, poultry, hash murgi, and meat, mangsho. They also take. Their kitchen utensils are bamboo. Kitchen utensils. That means the dishes. That means that what we use for cooking
Plates,
and having plants. Their utensils, asbab patro, are bamboo. They are made with bamboo. Have you seen that? Bamboo? Any utensils?
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
here? Utensils made of bamboo. They are very nice to look at. Bamboo or wooden or earthen pots. Earthen pot means the pots which are made of mud. That means matir tori.
স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
স্যার ওই যে
Okay. কোথায় ছিলাম? Earthen pots. Earthen. That means earthen. Yeah, earthen is adjective. Earthen is adjective. Earthen pots means the pots which are made of earth, mati, which they make themselves. They do themselves. It is done by themselves. Reflexive pronoun here. Themselves is reflexive pronoun. Men wear lungis and women wear thamis or sarongs and angis. Women weave their own clothes. Men wear lungis. That means they are men wear lungi and women wear thamis. It is the name of their dress, or sarongs or angis. I have never seen that means heard these words before. Actually, we are hearing these words in the text. Women weave. Weave means to make. Weave means to make, to knit. You can write down to knit. K-N-I-T. Knit is the synonymous word of weave. Their own clothes or fabricate. Okay, another part of this text. Hunting and fishing are their favorite pastimes. Hunting and fishing. They love to hunt. They love to hunt. And hunting and fishing are there. Here, hunting and fishing are gerunds. Hunting and fishing are gerunds. How they are gerunds? Because they are the subject of the verb are. If any verb with ing form becomes the subject or object, they become gerund. Hunting and fishing are their favorite pastimes. They are favorite pastime. Pastime means that means in our leisure time, when we don't have any work, at that time we do something to spend our time. That is called pastimes. They are fond of songs. They are fond of songs, music, dances, theater, and fairs. They are fond of songs. They love to listen to songs. They love to music. They like to dance, and they go to theaters. They have also fairs, their own fairs. Traditional musical instruments used are bagels, made from buffalo horns, drums, and bamboo flutes. They are traditional musical instruments. They have some traditional music. Traditional. Do you know the meaning of traditional?
Yes.
Traditional.
Sir.
That means in Bangla we call ঐতিহ্যবাহী, but English meaning will give you the most area. That is going on for a long time. They are using this. Their forefathers have used it. The forefathers of their forefathers have used it, and it is quietly related to their culture. That is called traditions. Traditional music instruments that are they are using are bagels. Are bagels made from buffalo horns, bepu. That is made of buffalo horns. That means Mohisher horn. What does the word horn? Shing. Drums and bamboo flutes or flutes মানে বাঁশের বাঁশি দিয়ে তৈরি করা হয়. Wrestling is a popular sport for them. Wrestling. Do you know what is wrestling? That means
yes, sir.
Maramari.
WWE.
Yeah, wrestling is their popular sport. Yeah, kusti in Bangla if you say kustigiri. Yeah. Okay, and now we'll go to the next stage.
কাবাডি কি কুস্তির ভিতর পড়ে?
No, it's a different game. All the ethnic people of our country live in the Chittagong hill tracts. Is true or false? Okay, I'm giving the questions. All the ethnic, no, it's false.
No, sir, it's false.
False.
So many of them lives in Sylhet.
The majority, yes. The majority of ethnic people live in Chittagong hill tracts. Most of them are farmers. That's true. By religion, all of them are Buddhist. No, false. By religion, they are Hindus, Christian, and Buddhist. The Murangs are an ethnic group. True. They do. They practice Jhum cultivation. That is also
True.
Just actually look at the map. Santal, where
And
Santal
hill
lives,
tracks
where
কেন বলিছেন?
Khasias, পাহাড়ি এলাকা. Then
Sir,
okay.
tracks mean?
ট্র্যাক মানে তো রাস্তা, রিজিয়ন, অঞ্চল। ট্র্যাক, ট্র্যাক বলে না, ট্র্যাক। ট্র্যাক মানে অর্থ হচ্ছে রাস্তা, অঞ্চল যাচ্ছে এখানে।
Okay, sir.
হিল ট্র্যাকস মানে এক কথায় পার্বত্য এলাকা বলি না আমরা বাংলায়, পার্বত্য
Yes,
এলাকা,
sir.
পার্বত্য অঞ্চল, দ্যাট ইজ হিল ট্র্যাকস। Where do the Sautals live? Is it a plain land? These are the group work, but we don't have time to do them. We'll go to the next stage. Do this. Do this. Time 1 minute.
স্যার স্যার বাংলাদেশের মানচিত্রটা আরেকবার দেখান তো।
You want to see again? Okay. This one? Okay. Do you have any query to learn from here? Okay. Is it done? Ethnic people mean a group of people from a particular culture or race living in a country where the main group of people live. They live in farmers, hills and the farmlands or hills and rural areas. They are mostly farmers and practice jhum cultivation by clearing a piece of land in the forest. By religion, they are either Hindus or Christian religion or Buddhist. They speak their own mother tongues. I have done this actually, no time to do this more. Okay, we'll do the MCQ now. Of the ethnic people in Bangladesh live in Chittagong hill tracts. Which one will be answer? Most, few, all, some?
So most.
Most. The word region. Local, religion, original, forest.
So religion.
No, region means locality.
Sir, locality.
Ethnic. What does the word ethnic mean? Rich, poor, tribal, international. Tribal.
Sir,
tribal. What does the word important mean? Auxiliary, valueless, artificial, significant. Significant. Ethnic people practice cultivation. Modern, scientific, jhum, unproductive. Jhum cultivation. Okay. Will you keep this question answer SW?
Okay, sir.
Keep this SW. I am writing here.
Sir, messenger group pe patha diyen tele.
Take a screenshot, anybody, and I am writing the date. Today is 3.
To messenger patha diyen.
Okay. Take a screenshot, someone of you, and send this in your group.
Sir, SW কি আপনার মেসেঞ্জারে পাঠাবো?
Group A. Before the first class, before the class, the next week, when my class will start, before 5 minutes before or 10 minutes before, you can send the SW to your messenger group. The line will be disconnected at any time.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Sir, assalamu alaikum.
Sir, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.